Austin Rose, managing attorney for the Amica Center for Immigrant Rights. I'm here outside of the courtroom in the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia, where we just argued our case, our class action case, challenging warrantless ICE arrests that have been happening in D.C. over the last several months. We are bringing this case alongside trusted partners, including the ACLU, the National Immigration Project, the Washington Lawyers Committee, and the Covington Law Firm. And we are suing to put an end to ICE's policy and practice, ICE and the entire apparatus of the federal government, of arresting people without a warrant and without probable cause. Over 1,000 people have been arrested in these circumstances in D.C. in the last several months alone. So today we had our hearing on our motion for preliminary injunction, and the judge seemed inclined to agree with us on several of our points. That there is this policy and practice out there that high-ranking government officials are telling ICE officers and other officers working with ICE that they should arrest people not with probable cause, but can arrest people without a warrant and without any justification whatsoever, just to meet their quotas. And we are very optimistic that we will win the relief we're seeking. The next step is just that we will be slightly modifying our proposed relief based on some of the feedback from the judge. We will be doing that as soon as possible, and then hope and expect a decision on whether to bar the government from continuing this unlawful practice in the coming weeks. Regardless of whether we get this injunction or not, we will continue this case, and we will continue fighting to keep families together and protect our communities here in DC, because they are critical members of the community.